Walaikum Assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. What's your name, please?
My name is Faris Shabazz.
And what's your date of birth?
My date of birth is 10th of July 2012.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your most recent qualification?
In 2016, I did my higher secondary education from Government Higher Secondary School Hawa Bulani, which is affiliated with Gujranwala Board. After that, I took admission in 3 years Diploma of Associate Engineering, and I completed my diploma in 2020, and I got my degree from GCT School Mandi Bahudin, which is affiliated with Delta Board Lahore.
That's good. And what are you doing after the completion of your degree?
After that, I tried to find a good job for myself. Then I came to know about that civil engineering has a very low scope in Pakistan. Then I had to do a job as a front desk officer in Ideas Architect. Now this job also boost and mature me, and that's why I am doing this job, but they are not paying me very handsome pay. That's why during doing this job, I decided to make my career in IT field. That's why after counseling with my teacher and my parents, I decided to study in abroad for a future, for a better career, better education is required.
Okay, good. Who is sponsoring you?
My father and my mother both are sponsoring me. And my father is working in Saudi Arabia. He is a contractor. He takes contracts of different education, construction work. And my mother is a well-educated lady. She is running her own science academy in Pakistan with the name of Maria Science Academy.
Okay, why you want to study Australia?
Actually, there are many reasons behind selecting Australia. I will tell one by one. First of all, Australia is reasonable in terms of tuition fees and accommodation. And secondly, Australia tuition fees. Secondly, Australian weather is same as Pakistan.
Good, that's good.
And also Australia provides multicultural environment. It is an advanced country, and learning environment is very good in Australia. Also, Australian institutes tend to provide latest techniques and technology to international students. Along with it, I choose Australia because Australia is the third big destination for international students, and Australian visa policies are very flexible for Pakistani students. That's why I choose Australia.
That's good.
Yeah.
Why are you not studying this course in Pakistan?
Actually, when I decided to make my career in IT field, I searched many institutes of Pakistan like Iqra University, GC University, Qaid University, and National University of Sciences and Technology. I came to know about that as a developing country, we are facing many problems in education, like curriculum, outdated syllabus, low quality of teachers, and facilities are not available in institutes for students, and also bad learning environment. There is bad learning environment in Pakistan. They don't use latest techniques and technology to provide latest knowledge to students, and also there is a higher enrollment in institutes, and they don't have such capacity. Normally in one class there are 70 to 80 students in one class, so that's why they cannot get proper attention because of such rush. So that's why I didn't choose Pakistan. And also, as a higher standard of education is not available in Pakistan. And one more reason is that Pakistan is a not English native country. As you know, English has become an international language. So this is also the reason behind not selecting Pakistan.
Okay, why are you not going to study any other country like USA, UK, Canada, etc.?
When I decided to do my Bachelor of Information Technology from abroad, my top priorities was UK, USA, and Australia, because I prefer English native countries. So I searched few institutes of UK, and for example, University of Bedfordshire, and one more institute, but I don't remember its name now. I came to know that their tuition fees are very high, But education system, tuition fees are very high, but education is similar to Australia. So that's why I didn't choose UK. And also Australia is a very peaceful country. The crime ratio is almost zero in Australia, and they tend to provide security to international students. And along with it, Australia is third big destination for international students. That's why I didn't choose UK. And the reason behind not selecting US is that there are many cases related to racism and gun related cases in USA. Every day we see on TV that different battles are watch on TV that different battles are happening in USA. And also USA visa policies are very strict. Only few who get visa, but mostly get rejection because there is a reason that visa officer is not satisfied with us. And that's why I didn't choose USA.
Good. Why you choose this institution?
Actually, there are also reasons behind selecting these institutes. One is that their education system is best in Australia. Almost 60 countries, different 60 countries students are studying in these institutes. So we can get multicultural environment in this institute because of that. And I came to know about from Facebook pages that the teachers are very cooperative. There is no student burden on students, study burden on students, and that's why I chose this institute. And also passing out ratio of this institute is very good. My degree will be affiliated by FRC Australia, which is Australia Community Service. So that's why I chose this institute. And also there are many outdoor activities like sport festivals and other outdoor activities available in these institutes. And because of all these reasons, I chose this institute.
Good. Why you chose this city? Why not any other city?
Yeah, it's a good question. Actually, the campus of my college, King's Zone Institute, is located in this city. That's why I chose this city. And also this city is home to many government and private leading institutes. That's why I chose this city. And number of Pakistani students are living in this city who can help me to manage my accommodation. And these are the reasons.
Okay, what is your future planning and how would this course will be beneficial for you in the future?
Yeah, after completion of my degree, I will come back to Pakistan and I will start my professional career as an analyst, business administrator, web developer, web designer, programmer. And there are number of opportunities available for me in Pakistan. I can start work in government and private leading institutes. So my degree has a huge employment. So there are number of jobs available in different fields like banking, investment banking, oil, sugar mills, and and different shopping malls. And number of IT firms and software houses in Pakistan like Tiary Pakistan, Microsoft, MVP, and all these. So these are my strong ties. I will come back to Pakistan.
Okay, what you intend to do on successful completion of this course?
I intend to start my professional career in Pakistan.
Okay.
And career in Pakistan, and I will start my professional career in Pakistan in different sectors. And in Pakistan, all brands tend to work up to international levels because Pakistan is a growing economy. So they are all these brands. Whether on a production side or on a selling side, they want to work up to international level. So for this, they need students who have international degree because they will have international knowledge, which will help them to boost their businesses. So that's why there is a lot of opportunities available for me. And whenever someone go for job interview, they ask for international degree. So
okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, why you are not studying this course in Pakistan?
As I already told you that I searched a few institutes of Pakistan, but Pakistan education hasn't improved much yet. As a developing country, we are working hard to improve our education system, but it will take a few years to improve it. And that's why I did didn't choose Pakistan, because for a better career, better education is required.
Okay, what do you think that what do you gain and get extra with this, with the completion of this?
No doubt I will get degree from Australia, but with degree I will get other things also. Like in Australia is English native country, I will get more grip on English. As you know, English has become an international language, and also my confidence will be boosted in Australia. And for instance, I will do presentations in Australia, so it will impact on my professional career also. So also I will spend 3 years of my life in a well civilized country. I will learn about culture, environment. So these things will help me in my personal life also.
That's good. Thank you so much.